Hi guys! Bunju here, and today mag-unbox tayo ng Realme NARZO50A. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, let's go! Tara, unbox na natin! Okay, so first impression, ang ganda ng pagka-packaging niya. Una nyo makikita dito is yung kanyang malaking NARZO logo. Pagdating naman sa top, makikita dito yung Realme branding nila. And pagdating naman sa likod, dito makikita yung kanilang high features, which is yung Helio G85 gaming processor, 50MP AI triple camera, 6,000 mAh battery, and ang kanilang 18 watts quick charge. So, may kita rin dito guys yung kulay ng binili nyong unit. Yung sa akin ay oxygen green. So, open na natin. Ayun. So, una nyo makikita dito is isa pang box na nakasulat yung Feel the Power. So, dito nakalagay yung jelly case, free jelly case or free protective case ni Realme NARZO50A. Ayan. Clear case siya, guys. Clear case. Andi dito rin yung Realme Paperworks na hindi naman natin gano'ng binabasa. Ako hindi ako nagbabasa ng ganito. Ewan ko kung ganun din kayo. So anyways, next natin dito makikita is of course yung cellphone itself. Yan. Naka-protective na plastic siya. Next is yung kanyang Type-C cable. Then lastly is yung kanyang 18 watts charger brick. Open na natin to. Wow, ang ganda. For the design, meron siyang matte finish diagonal lines texture sa left side and napakalaking kamerang module sa top left. Dito rin makikita yung kanyang instant fingerprint sensor. And for the right side naman makikita yung volume rocker and yung power button. Lalagyan na naman ng SIM sa left side and meron rin siyang micro SD card slot if kailangan mo ng extra storage dahil mahilig kang mag-save ng picture ni crush. Sa ilalim naman makikita ang speaker grill, USB Type-C port, and headphone jack. The design, in my opinion, really gives the edgy vibe because of its diagonal stripe. At the same time, the camera module and instant fingerprint sensor also adds up to that premium look. Pag-usapan naman natin ang display ni Realme NARZO50A. Meron siyang water drop notch. This enables the screen to stretch to the edges, with the only interruption in the top center where the bezel dips down to make space for the front camera module. Smartphones with a water drop notch are suitable for gaming, watching movies, and reading articles. Meron rin siyang HD Plus resolution stretch sa kanyang 6.5 display. For me, okay naman ang sharpness pagdating sa icons and text. Bright din ang screen kahit nasa outdoors. Pag-usapan naman natin ang battery. Isa ito sa pinakagusto kong feature dahil sa kanyang 6,000 mAh battery. Realme NARZO50A in your pocket means no more low battery anxiety. Its 6,000 mAh battery is powerful enough to support your continuous YouTube viewing for 27 hours. O saan ka pa, di ba? YouTube all you can na. Isa itong factor na tinitignan ng gamers dyan dahil kailangan natin yung cellphone na matagal malobat, lalo na kapag maglalaro tayo ng applications or game na mabilis makadrain ng battery. For gamers out there, tatagal yung battery na to for 8 hours continuous gaming. Pero kung di ka naman gamer, kaya nitong Realme NARZO50A ang mas mahigit pa sa 2 days. Napakaganda rin ng minatch up ng Realme dito with its 18 watts fast charging dahil anytime na malobat ka, 2 hours and 40 minutes of charging, puno na agad yung battery mo. In my opinion, if heavy user ka, mahilig kang mag-binge watch, o kaya manood ng selling, o kaya naman mag-gaming, NARZO50A is for you. Next is ang kanyang cellphone cam. Para sa kanyang camera, meron siyang 50 mAh primary sensor with its 2MP depth and 2MP macro sensor. Lastly, ang kanyang front camera, 88 megapixel. For the face cam, sobrang nagandahan ako sa camera niya. Despite the price, sobrang sharp and colorful. Marami rin siyang features like night mode, portrait mode, ultra macro, panoramic mode, and pro mode. Ito naman ang sample ng video recording. Ito yung back cam niya guys, sa 50 megapixel. Sobrang linaw niya, sobrang vibrant. Very nice. Ganda. So guys, nagre-record tayo ngayon gamit ang front cam which is 8 megapixels. And for me, yung video camera niya is very decent. Ito rin yung audio na ginagamit natin ngayon. Yan, gamit-gamit ko yung mic mismo nung cam. And for the camera itself, ayan. Malinaw talaga siya guys kasi as you can see, kita yung texture sa mukha ko. So ano sabihin nun? Kita yung tigyawat, kita yung ating imperfections, yung bigote, and overall yung strands, kahit yung strands ng hair guys, kitang-kita. So which is really nice. For the performance, meron siyang software na naka Android 11 na and Realme UI 2.0. It has also the MediaTek Helio G85 coupled with Mali G52 GPU. Meron rin siyang 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Kung kulang pa sa inyo yon, pwede nyong expand to 256GB. Para naman sa gaming, sobrang ganda nito dahil binibigay niyo yung smooth performance na kailangan natin, especially in heavy loading game engines and intense gameplay. Meron rin siyang connectivity enhancement which means a faster response and a more reliable connections. Naka-data ka man or naka-Wi-Fi. Sa paglalaro ko, wala naman lag na nangyari. Tinry ko din mag-open ng multiple tabs at super smooth naman siya for me. So, ano yung opinion ko sa phone na to which is Realme NARZO50A. Gustong-gusto ko yung features niya. Isa na rito yung kanyang long life battery at yung kanyang 50 megapixels AI triple camera despite na budget phone lang siya under 8K. Napaka-solid niya din in terms of gaming. Maganda yung chipset niya na MediaTek Helio G85 lalo na kung yung lalaroin mo ay yung mga uso ngayon like Pokemon Unite, CODM, Wild Rift at ML. Simple lang naman yung factors na hinahanap nating gamers. Tatlo yan, which is yung battery, quality, at performance. So first sa pag-uusapan natin is yung kanyang battery. So super long lasting niya talaga guys. Hindi siya basta-basta malalobat. Lalo na kapag kunyari nagta-travel kayo at gusto mo rin makipaglaro. O kaya naman gusto mo makipag-chat kay ex. Hindi ka basta malalobat dyan. Hindi nyo pag-aawayan ni ni crush mo yan. So naman natin pag-uusapan is yung kanyang quality. For me, maganda naman yung quality niya guys. Sobrang talaga high-end phone siya. And pasok na pasok sa budgets, lalo na ng mga students ngayon na naghahanap ng pang-online class at the same time naghahanap ng pang-ML na cellphone. Maganda to. And lastly, yung kanyang performance. All throughout the game, hindi siya lagi guys, hindi rin siya nag-iinit, which is a really nice and plus points for me. Mabibili ito for 7,990. And ayun lang guys, thank you so much for watching. If nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to hit that like button and comment what do you think about Realme NARZO50A. Ayun lang guys, thank you. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan i-share tong video na to sa friends nyo and malay nyo, isa to sa ipag-giveaway ko sa inyo. Yun lang, bye-bye!